Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's session, we're going to explore an advanced concept in the field of artificial intelligence, Graph Retrieval Augmented Generation, or Graph RAG. This technique is an evolution of the well-known Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, and it introduces the power of graph data structures into the process of knowledge retrieval. In traditional RAG, a model retrieves relevant documents or chunks of text from a knowledge base. The retrieved information is then combined with the model's internal knowledge to generate a response. While this is powerful, it sometimes struggles when the information is highly interconnected or requires complex relationships to be understood correctly. GraphRag addresses this limitation by representing knowledge in the form of nodes and edges. Nodes represent entities, concepts, or pieces of information. Edges represent the relationships or connections between them. This structure allows the model to not only find relevant facts, but also understand how those facts are related to one another. Graphs are especially useful because knowledge in the real world is not flat, it's deeply connected. For example, in medicine, a symptom might connect to multiple diseases. In research, a paper might cite other works, forming a web of references. In business, a customer may have links to multiple products, transactions, or reviews. By using graphs, the model can retrieve information that is contextually richer and generate responses that are more accurate and nuanced. Here's how Graph RAG typically works. Graph construction. Knowledge is organized into a graph with nodes and edges. Graph retrieval. Instead of just retrieving top documents, the system retrieves relevant subgraphs, capturing both entities and their relationships. Context integration. These retrieved subgraphs are passed to the language model, response generation. The model then generates an answer, enriched by the structured relationship-based knowledge. The key benefits include better context awareness, more accurate retrieval, improved reasoning over relationships, scalability to large, complex knowledge bases. This makes Graph RAG particularly effective in domains like scientific research, healthcare, legal analysis, finance, and enterprise knowledge management. As large language models continue to evolve, Graph RAG is shaping up to be a crucial step forward. It bridges the gap between unstructured text and structured knowledge, giving AI the ability to provide responses that are not just factual, but also deeply contextual. That wraps up our session on Graph Retrieval Augmented Generation. I hope this gave you a clear understanding of how graphs enhance the traditional RAG framework. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next session.